Assalamu alaikum everybody. How are you all? Good afternoon. In this afternoon time, I thought as I am on holiday today and I am getting a lot of time to practice my spoken English. That's why I came out from my room and I started my practicing spoken English. And right now, I have been practicing my spoken English for some time. You know, this time is very much perfect for practicing my spoken English. That's why I am practicing here. And this location is Satwa bus stand. This place is totally solitary. Solitary means where there is no person. Actually, have a look around me. There is no person around me. That's why it is possible to practice my spoken English. Otherwise, I have no habit of speaking in front of people. That's why I selected such a solitary place, and I have been practicing here, and I am very happy with it. And I am making a video. Actually, I want to make videos regularly. That's why I started to make videos. Though I don't know how to make perfect videos, but I have been trying for a long time. It's about 1 month, but